Now if you've got a vehicle covered in tree sap, the most important thing to do is how to remove it. And for this video I'm showing you directly how to remove it. You don't need anything else on the vehicle, no detergents, nothing. All you need is a spray bottle and water, straightforward water, and this is how you do it. Waxes or snow foams don't work the same as straightforward water. There's some in straightforward water that just helps to remove the tree sap. And that's it, it's gone. The sap's disappeared. And over here, this is where the sap is, on here as well. It's as simple as that.